Hello Metricoolers and welcome back to another mini tutorial. Today I'm going to speak about the role management within Metricool. So if you work within a team, this is a great tool for you to use to kind of adjust different roles within Metricool, who can see what, who can track what, who can manage different things on the platform. So if you work in a team, this is perfect for you. So once you're in Metricool, find the menu button in the top right, and you'll see the user management button, as well as the users on your profile and the roles and permissions. And here you can see, you can have a client, content creator, analyst, editor, manager, and here it can show which role can view, edit, manage, all of those good things. So here you have the client, the content creator, analyst, editor, and manager again, and you can see each check mark of where they have access in the platform. And you can definitely play around and tweak each role to your liking. So when you want to add a new role, you just press add role. You can do a role name. You can choose the color for it. The description of it, you can just do really anything that you want. And then here you have all the permissions. So these are the view only permissions. So you can toggle all of these on if you want the social media manager or the person that you're assigning to view all of these things within the Metricool platform, as well as the editing permissions. So if you want them to be able to go in and edit in the inbox, so reply to some messages, view smart links and edit them. You can also grant full access to the planner, so the calendar, the auto list. They can create, modify, and change the different timings of each post, as well as the scheduling and publishing option. And this is really great because it is super customizable for each role of your team. And lastly, we're in the management permissions. So if you want to turn this on, it gives full access to the brand, the creation, the management of connections, and managing all of the other users who have access to the brand and as well as their roles. This feature is for our advanced plans in Metricool. So if you're looking to upgrade or your team is growing and you want the roles permissions, you will need an advanced plan for this. And of course, if you want some more information about the roles and permissions feature within Metricool, we will leave a link in the caption as well as some more helpful info.